This that Black Beetle. It's that Drop Zone remix.
Drop Zone.
You see, we from New York. In New York, we do a little different.
Point blank, I'ma catch you creeping. Try to roll on me, never catch me sleeping. Drop zone, we don't care, we always thinking. 24 carats, I've been married, but I'm leaving. I know you a hater, you been sneaking. Me, I'm from the Bronx, and we always breaking even. We on the low until it comes to our season. I'm a Black Beetle, got that John Lennon leaning.
Let's go.
I've been on the grind and I've been watching. Tryna knock my hustle, check the budget. We 85%, so we be punching. Executives, we sitting down, we talking publishing. I'm talking everything like investments and banking. I'm talking everything like stocks with bank statements. No time we engaging. I've been on my rankings. You talk shit, we make shit. Create it, then date it, then put it out. Let's get this money.
No education,
You a dummy.
no fantasy.
This reality, you gotta go and get this money. Man, I'm from the underground where everything is plenty for me.
No time for dummies.
Don't trust nobody,
Cause everybody ain't really for ya.
this that new wave, no new slave. We too brave like Roubaix on Tuesday. Get paper like Newsday. This that new wave, no new slave. We too brave like Roubaix on Tuesday. Get paper like Newsday. Point blank, I'ma catch you creeping. Try to roll on me, never catch me sleeping. Drop zone, we don't care, we always thinking. 24 carats, I've been married, but I'm leaving. I know you a hater, you been sneaking. Me, I'm from the Bronx, and we always breaking even. We on the low until it comes to our season. I'm a Black Beetle, got that John Lennon leaning.